Hi everyone, and welcome to War and Uncut Management, and welcome to another unboxing and review and usage of something that we bought. Now, this sounds a little bit strange because what you're going to see is something very different to what's inside the box, and I will tell you the reason why. But girlfriend and I bought this today, and you may say it's a Panasonic rice cooker. But if you look over here, we have a rice cooker, so we don't need one. But this was like the last one in the shop, and this is the one they put on display, so we got a bit of a discount of it. And if we open the box, let me stand up a little bit, take that out, and then take this out. Here is a Panasonic juicer. Total cost, $60. Pretty good. If you look at other juicers, they go for 100, 120. Some of them, like the Philips brands, even go up to $299. But this one is quite simple, you see. So let's go through this. There is where you put where the juice comes out, like that. Yeah. Here is where we put the cat. Ha 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 ha. I'll put you down for now, little Tokyo. To open it, it's actually got a very good security feature. That's a safety feature like that. Ow, the cat just jumped to me. He wants to be famous. Let's take the knife away for now. And all you do is open it like that. This is the plunger thing where you put your fruit in. You can open it like that. There is the kind of like cutter kind of thing. Does it go in? Yeah. And then this bit all comes out as well. Pretty simple, huh? Yeah. Easy to sort of clean. Excuse me, cat. Thank you. Yeah. So we can put that back like that. Put that there. We can put that on the top like that. Secure it. There we go. Lock. Done. There. So this is the Panasonic. Does it have a number on it? Can you read that number there? What's that number say? What's that number say?
MG68M.
Yeah. So I don't know how old the model is, to be honest. This is my actual very first juicer. But for $60, let's do it in UK pounds, which is about 50. I think it's actually a really good bargain. We're going to cut these oranges. Well, I'm not going to cut these oranges, and we're going to come back later and see how the juice comes out. Okay? So, say bye for now, Tokyo. Or don't say goodbye then. All right, we'll be back in a moment or two after we cut all the oranges. Okay, so we've given the machine a good clean, and we're going to try for some orange juice and also some watermelon there. Let's just see that it's working first of all. Really simple to use. Guess what? Just 2 buttons. Do you want to press the on button?
Not yet.
Just press the on button, just to see it's working. Lovely, and turn off. As simple as that. So far, so good. Now, put the stuff in. Move your hand out the way so people can see what you're doing. Okay, press the button and slowly. That's nice and quick, wasn't it? Put some more in. Move your hand out the way. Lovely jubbly. How many oranges is this?
2.
Okay, let's see what's happened. You see, in here is all the bleh that you don't use. But down here is a little bit of orange juice. There we go. Let's get a glass and see what it's like. Watermelon is coming next. So, 2 oranges make about that amount, but that is pure 100 fresh. Do you want to taste it? So, here's the orange juice, and now Chert, who's not being very interactive, is going to taste it and how delicious it is.
Wow, it's so
Perfect.
perfect.
All right, let's go to the next one. I'm going to do some watermelon. So, just going quite fast with this one. We're not going to like clean the machine. See, it's going
No,
to be.
because it's ready clean up. We just clean this.
Imagine if the pips going everywhere. So I think a little lesson learned with this one. If you're doing something with pips, you have to turn off the machine because look at all the pips on the floor. Yeah, and who's going to pick that up? There we go. Let's take this out. Or let's have a look inside there. You see all the stuff inside there. Yeah. So it's much better than our old juicer, which was a manual one. But we can take that out and we can see that, is that a whole watermelon?
Half watermelon.
Half watermelon makes that much. That is pretty good.
1 glass. For restaurant, is a 1 glass, more than 1 glass. Okay, more than 1 glass.
Lovely. So there we go. Orange juice, watermelon juice. I'm going to taste this even though she tasted it. Let's see what it's like. Oh, let's try this one. Delicious. No pips, no nothing. So over there, the Panasonic juicer.
Yeah.
Don't know which brand, don't know how old, but I tell you what, for $60, pretty good. Have a happy Christmas, everyone. We're out of here. Bye.